welcome back to your intermediate guide to ranch roping. Now that we have our houlihan swing and we have our forehand swing, we need to start adding distance. Today's video is brought to you by 1 Peter 4:10 and 11. Each of you should use whatever gift you have received to serve others, as faithful stewards of God's grace in its various forms. If anyone speaks, they should do so as one who speaks the very words of God. If anyone serves, they should do so with the strength God provides, so that in all things God may be praised through Jesus Christ. To him be the glory and the power forever and ever. Amen. Most of you are going to be starting roping the dummy right here with a forehand, and that is exactly what you need to do. You need to be confident from this distance, and then from there, as our skills progress, we're gonna get way out here, okay? There's two ways to add distance to your forehand tip over or your sidearm. The first way is we're gonna add power to the swing. So there's two different sounds you're gonna be listening for, right? So the first sound is speed. That's what speed sounds like, okay? We don't want that. You sound like a helicopter. You're scaring everybody, okay? Your horse is freaking out, the cows are freaking out, the guy roping with you is freaking out. But what we can add is power. Right? We want it to be a powerful swing, not a fast swing, but a powerful swing. And what we can do with that momentum from the power of our swing is we can get it going and then we just guide it to where it needs to go, if that makes sense. That is one way to add distance to your forehand. The next way is just by simply adding coils. I personally am not a huge fan of adding coils with my forehand swing, okay? But it is an option. I will say you're gonna want these coils to be small. Because of the way you swing a forehand, it'll start slapping your hat and getting all in your face. It's really obnoxious. So that's why I choose to go the power route instead of the coil route. But if I add one little coil in there, I can still swing pretty gentle and reach out there and miss. Good heavens. That's why I like the power route, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna tip it over exactly the same as we would, and we're gonna reach out there and add a little distance to our forehand. Guys, if you like content like this, you need to check out 310edu.com. Use code YouTube50 to get 50% off your entire first month.